sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service.
Y'all, they were actually on sale and 40% off, bitch. Look at that. That's a whole cop. Okay, so I'm back with another restoration video. I always get my shoes and wear them for a couple of weeks and then I get bored. So then I change it into something else. So these are the Adidas RX2. You see the big toe cap, just all white. Pretty high top. I kind of don't like how high they are. I'm gonna put a video right here. Yeah, so I don't like how that looks. I don't know, I feel like a little like girl in middle school because they're so high. Anyway, so I'm about to cut them into mid tops and maybe paint this. But yeah, here's the restoration.